Okay. Terrible job. Whoever previously did this didn't really care, bro. So we're gonna record this live from Mars Auto. We want to know, we're doing it like this because we're not gonna use the clutch, we're not gonna use this flywheel, but this customer had a very bad experience with a clutch repair at a certain shop that we shall not name. But let's see what we got. It may be just también they probably just were very hard on the car, but we're about to find out. Yeah, let me get it. Where is that? That's because it's a little dowel pins. She's persistent. Cool. That pressure plate is toast. Super toasted.
The flywheel is even more toasted.
Wow. Wow. That's a lot of clutch material. This flywheel is beyond glazed and confused. Look at that, dude. Pobrecito, man. That is very intense. Now the question is are these OEM parts? Are these aftermarket? How they told them they did the clutch job on it? I just don't understand how something like this can happen, you know, with a new clutch.
Luke?
It's a Luke?
Yep.
So it did get replaced. They would say Audi, I would assume. Well, I don't know. But those both sides are completely destroyed there. So one or the other.
The clutch was facing the wrong way.
The clutch was facing the wrong way? Let's record it.
It came out like this, right?
We can check.
Oh no.
No, it
Okay,
can't.
I was
I didn't get it on me though. But the fact that look at all that clutch material that's everywhere. Okay, so we could have an issue. It has to be that the flywheel didn't get replaced and that all glazed was causing the clutch to slip and the pressure plate to kind of like work too much, maybe. That's why the pressure plate's like that. These are heat spots, really bad. I mean, this was burnt out really bad. So either the fault of the flywheel not being swapped out when all this job was done, or second, it was mistreated as hell. Somebody was trying to do all-wheel drive donuts or something, and then this happens. So it's one or the other. It's one or the other, but yeah, for sure we found the issue.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.